Hi, I'm Chris McGowan and my job title is a configuration officer at the Cardiff site. A project that I was proud of, I was lucky enough to be involved with the team to deliver the SGT, which is the Sydney Growth trains. So I was lucky enough to go into Newcastle Port and see them coming in off the ships, be involved with the new sets, getting them coupled up and ready for loco haul over to the Cardiff site. The SGTs were a great train to work on. For one, they were new, so it's always great to work on a new train. The technology is incredible. They're some of the best and most reliable trains in Australia. They're beloved by a lot of train people. The reliability of them is incredible. They've added to the Waratah fleet, the next generation of the Waratah. So combined with those, there's up to 119 of them out there at the moment. So yeah, very, very well, and providing a good service to the public. Well, I was working on the Millennium project. At the time, we had to remove some electrical components from the roof, so we needed to gain access through the high stands. They are quite a heavy unit. Really, no way of that current time of getting the units from the roof down to the ground. So team and I sort of put our heads together and come up with a way of putting all the units into a basket, so to speak, like a cage, utilising the overhead crane to get them down safely to the ground. So minimising sort of the hazard and the risk involved of carrying them. So yeah, come up with a good result. It's important to deliver on time. There's lots of suppliers that we deal with from day to day. It's also the public that's relying on our trains to get them around. I guess the public is a pretty big customer, and also our suppliers as well. The SGT comes back to mind with myself. It was a great time to be part of Downer. Over 24 sets of the SGTs over 31 months, which is one of the biggest rollouts in Australia. It was a great project to be part of, to get them to the suppliers and the general public, to grow the fleet. It was incredible. It was a great project to be a part of. I'm pretty proud. Yeah, with the new role, it's a new challenge for myself. Talking to the teams out on the floor to gain access and the information that I need to provide our suppliers to get the components sent and overhauled, and also helping the team out on the floor to achieve the job they need to get their job done as well. So helping them out, helping them use the systems that we used to gather the information. So everything sort of works sort of seamless.